Welcome back to the Python tutorial series. I'm so glad you're here. Today we will learn how to do an internet speed test in Python. So let's get started. I created a file called internetspeedtest.py, and the first thing we need to do is to install speedtest by running the command pip install speedtest-cli, and you can do that in the terminal or command prompt and then hit enter, but I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do that there. So once we have that installed, we can import speedtest. And then I'm going to create a variable called test and set this equal to speedtest.speedtest. After that, I'm gonna print loading server list, and this will load all the servers, and then I'll say test.getServers. After that, I want to choose the server, so I'll print choosing the server. And then I'm going to create a variable called best to get the best server, and I'll say best equals test.getBestServer. And then we're going to print best, and this should print the best server, and when I run this will output a dictionary. And we have the URL and the location, and it's in Metamora, Illinois. The next thing I want to do is to format this so it's not in a dictionary. So I'll say found, and then I found the host, so best host, and then I want to see where it is located. So located in best name and then best country. And to make this code cleaner, I'm gonna comment out loading server list and loading all the servers, and I'll just get the best server, and I won't print the dictionary. When I run this, I'll just print where it is located. So I'll run it again, and it's choosing the server, and it's in a different location this time. Then the next thing I'm gonna want to do is to display the upload result. So I'm going to create a variable called upload result and set this equal to test.upload, and then I'll print upload result. And then I'll run this, and it's going to take about 15 seconds to get the upload speed, and it will display the upload speed in bits per second. So we want to convert bits per second into megabits per second. And I'll also want to round this to 2 decimal places. So I'll say test.upload divided by 1024 to get kilobits per second. Then I'll divide by 1024 again to get megabits per second. And then I'll change this print statement to say upload speed, and it's going to say upload speed and the upload result in megabits per second. And I'll do the same thing for the download speed. And then finally, I'm gonna create a new variable called ping result, and this is how often it pings the server. And then I'll print ping, and this number is in milliseconds. And now when I run this, I should get the answer, and it should take less than 30 seconds for this to get the upload download speed as well as how often it's pinging the server. And there we go, the upload speed is 79 megabits per second, download speed is 33 megabits per second, and the ping is 17 milliseconds. So that's how to do an internet speed test in Python. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow along with this video series by subscribing and hitting the notification bell, or by clicking on the next video so that you can expand your knowledge about Python. And as always, I can't wait to see you next time.